Location, location, location. This is your opportunity to become a resident of LA's most stylish and coveted pockets, the Lake Hollywood Estates community. Enjoy the best views of the Hollywood sign and nature from your large backyard with private access to Griffith Park hiking trails and the corridor. This expansive one-story, mid-century, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathroom floor plan features upgrades throughout, including granite kitchen countertops and dual fireplace. Washer, dryer, and all kitchen appliances are included. Located only minutes away from Lake Hollywood Park, Hollywood Sign Overlook, and Hollywood Lake walking and bike paths, while also being centrally located near Universal Studios, Burbank, Glendale, 101 and 5 freeways, and Hollywood dining and entertainment. Thanks for visiting 3214 Canyon Lake Drive. Get in touch today.